Good morning, MIPA. Coming to you remotely from the moon. Broadcast Boot Camp's MIPA today. I'm Wade Joseph.
And I'm Samantha Drougel, and we will tell you the morning announcements. It's day 3 of session 2 of the MIPA Summer Journalism Workshop. Sarah Beth and Jeremy are here to answer any general questions you have about our program, or if you have technical challenges. Call or text the workshop hotline anytime at 517-258-0551. Thank you for letting us know if you are going to miss a morning class session or be late. We will take attendance every morning and will contact you and your parents if we don't know where you are. You can contact your instructors directly or call or text the workshop hotline again at 517-258-0551. Are there things you'd like to do at the MIPA Summer Workshop that aren't on the schedule? Text your ideas to the workshop hotline.
MIPA Workshop special events are great opportunities to explore important issues in depth, learn about journalism, and have fun. Information on these live events is available in the Workshop Special Events section in Google Classroom. Here's what's coming this week. Noon today, show off Fluffy, Rover, Nemo, Tweety, Buttercup, and our Session 2 MIPA Pet Parade. MIPA News Hounds Remington and Winston will award prizes for Best Trick, Best Pet and Owner Lookalike, and Best in Show. Information on how to participate in the workshop special events area in classroom. Noon Thursday, July 23rd. Charlotte, Michigan's favorite social media trivia host, Chad Sanders, hosts a trivia session for workshop participants. Grab your lunch and have some fun. Is your act ready for the MIPA's Got Talent variety show? Record a video of your variety act to submit to MIPA. Videos should be 3 minutes or less. Information is available in Google Classroom about how to submit your video to MIPA. Past acts have included comedy, music, singing and or instrument, spoken word poetry, dancing, magic, storytelling, and more. We'll assemble all of the pre-taped acts together to be broadcast during live watch party. We'll have prizes for the winning acts. You should take the MIPA Staff Challenge. MIPA Staff Challenge is a chance for you and or your fellow staffers participating in the workshop to develop a plan of action for your school year ahead. Set some specific goals and put together a plan of action for how your team will accomplish those goals.
The best plan will get a sweet prize. Everyone else will have an awesome plan for the year. More information can be found under the workshop resources in Classroom. You can even meet with Sarah Beth to talk about your ideas before you submit your entry. And I'm Samantha Drougel, signing off.